My name is Peyton Cardwell and I'm with Spanish Fort Fire Rescue, and this is how to use a fire extinguisher. Before using the fire extinguisher, call 911. That way, if the extinguisher doesn't put out your fire, we are already en route to your emergency. When using the fire extinguisher, you want to remember the acronym PASS: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. First, you'll pull the pin, unlocking the mechanism. Then you'll aim at the base of the fire. You'll squeeze the handle, extinguishing the agent, and you'll sweep back and forth. If you're inside your house using the fire extinguisher, you want to stand about 4 feet away from the fire and position yourself between the fire and an exit. When you're finished using the extinguisher, put down the extinguisher and go outside. Fire extinguishers are rated by class. When you're searching to purchase a fire extinguisher, you want to purchase an ABC extinguisher. Class A is for wood burning materials, B is for gasolines and oils, and C is for electrical equipment. It's best to have a fire extinguisher on every level of your home and in your garage. Also, have one in your RV, boat, and in your car. You'll want to purchase the biggest fire extinguisher that you can comfortably carry. Extinguishers can be purchased at many local retailers such as Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, and other stores. Fire extinguishers are good for 10 years, or after being used. After they're used, throw them away and purchase another one.